welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you 10 different creative hairstyles you can do with knotless braids when you have hair jewelry on and beads. I don't have beads all throughout my hair, but I have them on these two front pieces, so I just want to show you how I style my hair. I didn't want to do like all the same hairstyles that I've seen, so I try to include some different ones that are cute. If you want to see the video on how I apply this hair jewelry to my hair, please click here. I'll have it up in the card. I'll also have it in the description box below. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So the first style is exactly what you see. It's just a middle part with the two braids hanging down. Next, I'm going to be taking half of my hair and putting it up in a ponytail for a half up, half down look. Alright, so this next look is going to be a half up bun and then the other half of your hair down. You're just going to put your hair up in a ponytail. I already had mine up in a ponytail from the last style, and then we're just going to wrap your hair around until you have a bun on top. So this next look is going to be two space buns with half of my hair down, and how I achieve this look is just by putting two ponytails on half the top of my head and making two separate buns on each side. Now I'm just going to take the two front pieces of hair that have the beads and accessories on it, and I'm just going to wrap it around the two space buns for another cute look. The next style is putting my hair up in a ponytail, and I'm just going to be taking a few braids and wrapping it around the ponytail holder just so it looks cuter than the ponytail holder showing itself. Now I'm going to be doing the top knot bun. I already have my hair up in a ponytail, but if you don't, just put it in a ponytail and then simply wrap your hair around into a knot, and then just tuck your ends under so it doesn't come unraveled. Now I'm going to be doing this low ponytail. I like to have mine to the side, so I just pull my hair to the side and then take some braids from underneath my hair and wrap it around, acting as the ponytail holder. Just wrap it around securely and tight and then tuck it under so that way it doesn't come loose. Now we're going to be doing the low bun, and this is a very elegant hairstyle. You want to put this in when you're going to like a special event or you're trying to look cute and classy. So just go ahead and wrap your hair, put it in a ponytail, and then wrap your hair around the ponytail, and then either tuck it in or secure it with another ponytail so it won't come unraveled. Next, I just wanted to do something a little bit different and wanted to have something, a braid, but like elevated to something new. So how we do this is that we're just going to put a ponytail holder around our hair at first. This is just going to keep everything secure. And then you want to split your hair into two sections. And how you do a fishtail braid is that you take a piece of each side and wrap it underneath over onto the other side, and then you just keep taking pieces and putting it on the opposite side all the way until you get to the very end. Just watch and see what I'm doing. It's very easy. It looks like it's going to be complicated, but I'm telling you, it's super easy. Once you get down to the end, just secure it with another rubber band and then you are good to go. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below which hairstyle was your favorite. Mine personally would probably have to be the 2 space buns. I thought those are really cute. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe as well. Also hit that notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a video. Please remember to give me video ideas down below of things you want to see from me, and I just appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you in my next video.